Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Janice here. I hope you have a good start to your year, and I'm just giving you an update on on some changes. So BYTNEX was formerly known as Cryptex, and in October of 2025 went through a 7 days transitional rebranding phase and is now known as BYTNEX. Now, in the 10th year of operation, BYTNEX didn't miss a beat. During the 7 days of transition, they completed an update. They continued activities with a new brand name, BYTNEX. Operations continue seamlessly as they have for the past 10 years, proving that BYTNEX is consistently reliable with a distinct systematic approach, unlike any other project on the planet. So BYTNEX also, they recently, which about last year I think, had the 2 years project. They had the 2 years contract back, and as a new member, you can have up to 80 contracts and you can cash out in 2 years. So you put $100, you purchase your contract with $100, and the 2 year contract pays out 21,000 plus. So say for instance you have 80 contract and you purchase the 2 year length contract, you will be able to cash out with 1.6 plus million, and that's a good thing, especially now how the economies and inflations are going up, and you would be setting up yourself, for the future very well.